Hi, Rosies.
We're back with an unveiling of the Rongrong Fall Pet Tape.
Of.
Hi guys, we're back. And
Well, I don't know. You guys, Rosies, you know we're not usually together like this. I'm on a separate screen because I'm in a different location, but I happen to be by Rocio's house this week. So here we are. What made you want to purchase the Rongrong, Rocio? Of all the other pet tapes you have.
oh my God, what do you have to say like
No,
that?
I don't mean to say, I don't want to pet tape shame you.
You are.
But you have a collection. You do. I could see. Oh, that's okay. Go ahead.
It was. First of all, this is my birthday week.
Okay.
It's just one. This is the one that I received free. I had I used
No, but you gotta open it up.
the coupon. I used the coupon.
Your points.
My points that I had, and it gave me $20.
That's a lot of points. So I'm just putting this here so you guys could see. Listen,
and
we're trying.
It gave me. I put this one of my pet tapes. This is, oh Lord, don't get me started. This is the blush.
Oh, that's like a fall harvest.
Yeah, blush.
It's called blush.
Yes, soft fall. If I remember correctly.
If you could bring it up to
the camera.
Yeah.
Soft fall. It's a soft fall blush. And
it's
beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Nice. Look at the truck.
I love the truck. Look at the truck. That's gorgeous. That's beautiful.
Look at the girl on the
and the apple pie.
It looks so, love it.
It looks so warm.
Warm and inviting.
And harvesty.
Ready for fall.
Yes. Fall is it's actually my favorite time of the year.
Yeah, I got married in the fall.
That's true. That's true. So that was the freebie. And let's
wait a minute. It's not a freebie. I just use my points to get it for free.
Well, yeah.
That's
what I meant.
We don't want to.
It's not a free.
We don't want to tell people this. It's
no,
free.
It's not free. It's that she had enough points that she got it for free.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this one. I love. So you could select which ones you want.
Yeah, I didn't know. I thought it would let me do.
Because sometimes they have like a select that you could get.
Oh no, okay. We can we can't
use your points for this. That's a little ass.
Okay.
Damn, Rocio, you went in. Okay. All right. Let's take it out. Let's take it out, Rosie. I'm not shaming you. Okay. Oh, this one. Okay. All right. So let's put this aside, and then which one you want to start with? Okay, we're back, Rosies. Let's take a look at this. Gorgeous. Is that the dark? Yes.
Yes.
If you saw our video, our plan with me for Rocio's birthday week, August 11th through the 17th, I talked about this particular pet tape. Let's bring it up to the camera a little bit. That is gorgeous.
You're not gorgeous.
And I like the moodiness of it. Ron says kind of a little vampire-ish, maybe.
It might
goth
be
looking.
But look, it's still got a girl in a pink.
Yeah.
I love it. Look at the swan.
I love the roses. But she looks like Wednesday.
She does.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Yay.
So let's see the other one. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's like a lavender look.
It's soft Halloween.
Oh, that's what it's called?
I think so. Look at that. Look at the candle.
Bring it down some. Yeah, and up. Yeah, that's beautiful.
You see the cupcake with the little ghost?
Where? Oh no, I didn't see. That's cute.
Real cute. Look at the cat.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I'm looking at it on the screen. It's really nice. And the haunted. Oh, that's not really haunted. Don't look too haunted, but a nice home.
They call this soft Halloween.
Yes. So that's another one.
Okay, good.
So let's look at this other sticker. Which one is this, Rocio?
This is called, I don't remember the name. All I know is that it's all white.
That's nice.
Isn't it nice?
It looked more spookier than the dark one, though.
Don't it?
Look at the wolf. Bring it down.
Oh, look. Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is a wolf. I don't know if you could see it with the dark background. I'm gonna use my MacBook, guys. See if that background works. That's better. That's better.
Look at the tree.
Gorgeous. So listen, this is for the people who love fall, like we do. I didn't do any pet tapes this year. No, I didn't. I haven't done any pet tapes this year. I'm right now shopping my stash.
I'm going to create something. I think I'm going to do a black background with this one.
Oh, you are? Do you have that black paper?
I do have black paper.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess
I think I'm gonna go to what you call it, to Office Max and have them cut it 7.25.
Oh, 7 to the size. Can they punch it too?
I don't know if they, but I have puncher.
Oh,
I have a plastic puncher.
Okay. I don't know what this one is though. Oh, I think that's the book one.
Yeah, it's the cozy fall. Oh, look at this. Look at the table.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Look at the library.
I love it. I love this. That burgundy red look.
Look at this.
That's gorgeous. And you know what this reminds me of? We went to a small school in Massachusetts, and if you live in New England, you know, if you have been or heard, the peak season of fall watching leaves, it gives me that school vibe. And the thing is about the school we went to, it had old buildings, old Victorian buildings, so it kind of lends to that vibe.
It does. Cozy.
Give me the AUC vibes.
Yeah.
Is that it?
That is it, except for my birthday.
Okay, so those are the fall. Let's see all of them together. Okay,
that's one.
That's another one. Okay, so those are a set here. That's one group. Let me push it up a little bit so you could see. Good. And then let's look at the other group. It's beautiful. This is just beautiful. I'm trying to bring it up, guys. Okay. All right, so that's another group. So now we're going to Rocio's birthday pet tapes. Now, the story is with these. Let me show you here. This came out about 2 years ago, and I purchased it, and I purchased it, and I purchased it. Okay, so when I say purchased it, there is the sticker pack and also the pet tape. I got both the sticker pack and the pet tape, and I kind of gave the pet tape to Rocio, but then I took it back.
She took it back.
I'm like, no, I love it. This is one. one of my favorites.
So since I already decorated with the
it's
sticker
pet
box.
tape and washi.
Yep.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, not okay. So but there it is. It's pet tape, the 2 pet tapes,
and
a
4 washi box set.
This is gorgeous. So this is another pet tape.
So this is a pet tape, and
That's
it's a thick one.
So this is one of. Okay, do you want to open them?
Not really, because we already did a
spread with this
with the
sticker pack.
But this is a pet tape right here. That's a thick one, and then they have tinier.
Well, this is also a pet tape.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a pet tape, and then this is a pet tape. So you got 2 pet tapes, and that thick one is washi. Okay. So listen, I think we could include it in this one so you could see how Rocio decorated her birthday spread. But let's look at the other washi. So you have the 2 pet tapes, which is these 2. I don't know if you could see that here. Trying. And then you have the regular size pet tape.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have 4 washi tapes. So this is 1.
And then this looks like a confetti.
That is nice. This is happy birthday all the way. It's beautiful. Can't see it through the glare, but happy birthday. And then this is another washi tape. It's pretty thick.
Mm-hmm. Like tape.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you like what you bought?
I love it. I enjoyed it.
I like it. I like all of them. My favorite is that red one. This one. I mean, this is a favorite. I love this. This is my favorite.
That's gorgeous.
And then the moody one, the dark. Oh, there it is. This one. This is gorgeous.
You like that one too?
Gorgeous. This is it.
I love all of them.
Yeah. I love all of them, but I have to pick a favorite.
If I pick a favorite, it will be the white one.
Yeah, you gotta open it so they can see.
It will be this one.
Mm-hmm.
Love it.
Okay.
And then
I like the blush too. I like all of them. See, that's the thing.
The blush fall.
Yes. Okay.
Because I said, oh, I'm gonna just get one, and then I'm like, I started putting stuff in my cart.
Yes. So Rosie's, that's what Rongrong has to offer. Check out her shop, see what's new. And she also has sticker books for fall.
For fall. So, I just didn't get sticker books. I just went straight in for the pet tape.
All right, Rosie's, thank you for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.